Beautiful. So the access to our course is finally for free. And I mean the access to the first chapter. So if you're interested, guys, so let me open the first down position. Yeah, with $300, as you can see. And I believe that this signal is pretty and almost perfect. So as I was saying, um, you can take a look. The access to our course is for free. So just go to the link in the description below or go directly to learnthestrategy.com/free. So you don't need to enter your email, your credit card, or any information. It's totally for free. If you want to access next chapters, of course, you will have to purchase. Otherwise, you are welcome to watch the videos and enjoy it. So the first chapter is for free. I will try to do my best to teach you my strategy and to teach you everything I learned over the years about binary option trading. So lately I've been preparing something greater. That's why I'm not uploading too much videos lately. But yeah, I will announce something. So the first beautiful win. Great. All right. So this one, yeah, this one was beautiful. See, so I guess we will open another down position or lower position. This one, I don't believe that the market will keep going down. So at some point it would change and it would go up back again. So lately, guys, a lot of people are using um, AI trading. So people are trading with AI. I mean, trading with AI has many advantages, but there are certain reasons why it not or it may not always be better than manual trading. For example, the market complexity and human emotion. AI algorithms operate purely on data and follow predefined rules. Yes, great. So I already made two wins, or I won two trades. Yeah, this one was, yeah, this one was clear. The previous one wasn't that clear. So I guess the market will go up next. I guess this time, yeah. So with $300, I'm going up. Yeah. So as I was saying, guys, like it operates I'm talking about the AI algorithms. It operate on purely um on data, and it follows predefined rules. They don't factor in human psychology, emotions, or intuition, which can sometimes give human traders an edge in unpredictable market conditions. There's plenty of unpredictable market conditions where you need to be human to understand what's going on, right? An AI or an algorithm will follow rules, but with the presence of a human, beautiful. Yeah, another win. We already made three trades, and I already won all of them. Great. So, all right, let's open this low position, and yeah, hope that this is going to be a win. Yeah, this one is a win. This one is 100% a win. So, as I was saying, for example, major market crashes or news events that cause mass panic or euphoria often don't fit nearly into historical data patterns that AI would rely on. So AI will not understand new events or what's going on lately. You need to be human to understand that, to analyze that. Also, AI is not useful when it comes to manual trading. Experienced human traders, let's open another low position. So this signal, it was clear that I'm going down. It was clear that it's going to be red. That's why, yeah, beautiful. I guess we still have four or three trades to open. As I was saying, guys, experienced human traders can make decisions based on broader market sentiment, like also on news or even other factors that AI may not catch unless specifically programmed to do so. So if you are using or creating an AI that will look into uh, events that's happening in the world, and like the market sentiment and factors that outside of the trading, like trading data and the historical data, uh, humans can adapt to unexpected. Great. Let me just check. Um, yeah, great. This one, this wasn't that clear. I don't know. Should I? All right, let's go. Let's go up. This time, I believe that the market will try to create smaller uptrend, right? So as I was saying, guys, humans versus AI, humans can adapt to unexpected events, or it can feel when something is off in the market, even though without hard data, right? But AI will look, unless, as I was saying, unless specifically programmed to do so. Also, why manual and human trading is better than AI? Great. All right. Let me just. Whoa, amazing. See, the previous trade was amazing. Guess we will open another uptrend. So, as I was saying, unpredictability and black swan events like AI, while AI can be trained to predict patterns, it's still based on historical data, right? Data from the previous candles or previous market movements. It often struggles with black swan events. It's rare and expected events with severe consequences because these events don't follow patterns in the past and can be predicted by historical data alone. So it's hard to predict. Nice. Should we open another? So as I was saying, the market already created this uptrend. I guess. All right. It already reached the upper band from the Bollinger Band. It will go back down again. I guess this will be the last trade. Yeah, this will be the last day. From this point on, I don't know what's going really. Yeah, that's the end of from the indicator. So as I was saying, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm making these videos to show you what's possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. I'm not saying that this is real or this is what's really going to happen with you. So please be careful when trading with dream money, train with dream demo account, and beautiful. So I won all the trades. I guess that's it. So yeah, see you later.